G'day and welcome to The Crossing with Jenny Brandis. This video goes with the PAM 11.04 Tess Parrish bookmark, as well as the earlier Ruth bookmark. As I am working a 6-pair crossing, we will treat each pair here as a single thread. You can link the bobbins together if you prefer. The left holder has the 3 right pairs, while the right holder has the other 3 pairs. Release the bobbins from the holders without messing up the sequence. I strongly recommend using bobbin holders as we go. Spread them out and make sure the pairs are separated correctly before we start. We are starting on the left-hand side and working to the right. As we have 12 rather than 6 pairs, we will treat each pair as a single thread, so these 4 are a single pair. Step 1 and 2 brings us to step 3, the crossing itself. Starting with the threads from the left 2 pairs, we do cross and twist. Step 4. Place the right bobbins on a bobbin holder, being careful to keep them in sequence. Raise the holder and slide the next single under. Then over to place it on the left of the pairs from step 3. I'll show that again. Under the right bobbins, then over the left bobbins. Step 5. Now bring the next thread over the right bobbin holders and lay it down. Place it in sequence on the holder. We now have the same number of bobbins here and here. Step 6. Repeat step 4, under the right bobbins and over the left bobbins. Step 7. Now bring the next thread over the right bobbin holder and lay it down. Place it in sequence on the right holder. Make sure that you have the same number of bobbins on the left and the right. Step 8. The holders are really useful now. Under the right holder and over the left. Lay down. Step 9. Over the right bobbins and lay down. Step 10. Last pair. Under the right holder and over the left. Lay down. Step 11. Last thread over and lay in the centre. Remove the holders and spread the bobbins out. We are now halfway through the crossing. Put up the pin. You might like to do a little bit of tensioning here. Step 12. Move the last right thread out to make room. Starting from the centre, we take the left thread over all of the right bobbins and lay it to the left of that last thread. Put in a divider pin to keep that pair separate. Step 13. Take the centre left thread over all of the right bobbins, make a space for it and lay it down and put in a divider pin next. Step 14. Take the centre left thread over all of the right bobbins, make a space for it and lay it down. Put in the divider pin. Step 15. Take the centre left thread over all of the right bobbins, make a space for it and lay it down. Put in the divider pin. Step 16. Take the centre left thread over all of the right bobbins, make a space for it and lay it down. Notice that this now means that the left ones are joined again. Step 17 is working the tallies and plaits, and step 18 is exiting the block following the written instructions.